Welcome to our interactive guide on preparing your home for real estate photos. Let's start with the interior checklist.
Step 1. Clear and clean kitchen counters. Step 2. Clear appliances from magnets and clutter. Step 3. Clear and clean bathroom sinks, tubs and showers. Add a fresh layer of caulking where needed. Declutter and remove unneeded furniture and decor. Step 6. Make all the beds with white or lighter colors bedding, decorate with pillows, and clear the nightstands. Put or replace dark drapes with light and clear curtains where possible. Step 8. Remove all personal photos and items. Put all shoes and jackets inside the closets. Step 10. Remove all pets items.
Great job on the interior checklist. Now let's move on the exterior. Step number 11. Tidy up the yard and landscaping. Step 12. Sweep porches, deck, declutter and organize the patio furniture. Step 13. Remove all cars from the driveway. Step 14. Hide all garbage cans, barrels, hoses, and other lawn equipment. And step 15. Declutter and organize garage space. Congratulations on completing the checklist. Your home now is ready for stunning real estate photos.